Welcome to How to Buy a Block tutorial. If this is your first time connecting to the Reat platform, make sure your MetaMask wallet is connected. If you're not sure how to do this, please watch our video on connecting to the Reat platform. The link is in the description. Go to the website and click on App in the top menu. Next, click on Go to App. Your MetaMask will open. Ask you to enter your password to unlock it. You are now logged into the platform. Click on the yellow Buy a Block button. A menu will appear where you can select the type of block you want to purchase. Here you'll see the details about the block, including the price in USDT and the maintenance fee. With this type of block, it's a lifetime fee that is automatically included in the total price. You'll also see the daily rewards your block will generate. At the top, you can choose the number of blocks you want to buy, and the total price will update automatically. Click Next and read the terms and conditions. If you agree, click Agree and Continue. If your wallet doesn't have enough funds, you'll see an error message. If you do have sufficient funds, MetaMask will open automatically, asking you to confirm the transaction. Click the Confirm button. MetaMask is now submitting the transaction. Please wait until it's complete. You will receive a message confirming that your transaction is complete. You can now close the extension. You'll see your blocks appear on the platform. Click on a block to view its details. To securely log out of the platform, open MetaMask. Go to the option menu and click Lock MetaMask. Congratulations, you've officially joined the path of happy many.